Hello and welcome to eLeaP. This is Erica. I'm excited to unveil this new feature. Folks that are in 21 CFR Part 11, and generally when compliance training is required and you need to enforce signatures, it would be neat to be able to do that within the system super easy. So right now, if you do create a new course, simply look for the ESignature Required line. You want to toggle that to a yes. Alright, if you do enforce that, then the system is going to look to the user to actually provide a signature upon completion for it to be truly certified. So let's take this particular course as an example, required training for onboarding. You can see right there that I have enforced signature required, and if I go to my completion report tab, you can see where I've got some employees that have not submitted a signature. Let's take a look at it from the viewpoint of an end user. Okay, I'm logged in here as Cardiff, alright, and I have a course that has been assigned to me. I'm going to go ahead and just go through this course rather quickly. This particular course has a quiz. Now, of course, if I do not complete a quiz, I will be required to complete a quiz. But if I complete a quiz and any of the other requirements for the course, then I have one final step, which is to log in my signature for confirmation that I've completed this course. And this is it right here. In order to verify completion, this course requires you to sign it by logging in. Now here's what happens. At this point, the user would need to basically put in the email and password of their login credentials. If they do not put in the right credentials, the course cannot be signed and will not be signed. So in this case, you can see where I put in the wrong credentials and I was not able to verify this course for completion. I'm going to put in the right credentials and I have successfully completed this particular course. That's important. Of course, this particular course also requires me to complete a feedback, so I will go ahead and do that. This is from the end user's point of view, how they are going to be required to complete a feedback form. Alright, let's go back to the admin view and take a look at how the eSignature feature is actually being recorded in the system. So I'm going to go to this course right here, and you want to go to your completion report. That's where your eSignature information will be if there is any for you. And of course right here we notice a new linked SSC signature log. You want to click on that, and this is where we capture all of the data pertaining to eSignature. So in this case, you just notice where I had just signed this particular signature as Cardiff in this case. And of course there you see that we logged the user's name, email, the date and time that it was signed, previous status as well as new status, and of course we also do track their IP address from where they signed. You can download this information if you want to. Just hit Export to Excel and that will be downloaded for you. Last but not least, we want you to go to your Completion Report tab and your Audit Trail. If you want to check in and see who in your organization has done an eSignature, simply go in there. You can look for the action column there, and if you want to, you can just search. I normally search for something like eSign and filter, and that would essentially give me the data for folks that have completed training and have signed a signature. Alright, that's it folks. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to contact us. Thank you.